Gonna say hi, Ava?
Hi.
Gonna say hi, Isla?
Hi.
Right, well, Daddy reviewed this the other day. This is called Charlie the Funny Talkie. It's by Club Pets. Club Pets do Blue the Dolphin, and they do all other kinds of interactive toys.
Don't forget Shamu.
Well, yeah, they've done the little killer whale too, the friend of the Blue Dolphin. Now, we think this is a really good toy, actually. Do you want to have a go, girls, and see what you think? Should we turn Charlie on?
Yeah. It's a bit hard to do, Isla.
Do you want to have Isla or Ava turn it on?
Yes. It might be too hard for me, but I'll try. You are a polly parrot. More polly parrots! You are polly parrot born. And
Should we turn her to the camera so we can see?
Parrot.
And you're gonna say something else to Charlie.
I am flying up in the sky. See, it's laughing at the end, and it did it twice.
Really?
It did it twice. That's the same as the
Well,
first.
you know, parrots, they will repeat what you say. Now,
That's 'cause I know about parrots.
you can actually wear this Charlie Funny Talkie on your arm. You see the strap underneath, Ava?
Yeah.
Should
And you can hang him upside down.
Should we put her on your arm? A he, maybe. And if you turn it the other way, you can even wear Charlie right on your shoulder. So you could wear it like that. That would be really cool.
Can I bring Charlie with me?
Now Ava is going to a pirate party, so she would like to take Charlie with her.
That's because pirates sometimes have parrots.
They do. What do you think of this toy, girls?
It's very good. Very good.
Do you like the way he repeats everything you say?
Yeah. It can repeat anything what he likes to say.
So you could actually say funny jokes, couldn't you? And they'd repeat them.
I need talk.
Do you know any funny jokes?
I need to talk like this. And that. No, he doesn't talk like that. Let me just see what he does. I have crazy eyes. I have crazy mouth. I have crazy mouth.
Why don't you tell the pirate joke, Ava? The joke is, why are pirates called pirates? Because they are.
I can't do it.
Please remember to subscribe, guys. It really helps us, and we'll see you again soon.